I'm Liliana Maura with LX Costa Rica, and today we're in Ciudad Colón, and I'm going to show you a classical house with a modern twist. Come and join me. This property consists of a lot of 1,005 square meters and a construction of 500 square meters. The property has 2 floors. On the lower floor, it consists of social areas, kitchen, laundry, and it also has a full bedroom on the main floor. Now come with me and I'll show you the garden. This garden has beautiful green views into the mountains, and you hear the calming sounds of the river passing by. And now we're in the second level of the house, which consists of this family room and 3 bedrooms with their own bathroom, and this beautiful large terrace overlooking the green mountains of Ciudad Colón. This property is for sale or rent, and if you're interested about it, please inquire below in the description.